Hello friends, once again I came with a new video, and here you can see I made this on step horseshoe go to mount for my heavy 8-inch telescope, and this is the power supply I used. It is a 12 volt 10 ampere SMPS, and here you can see I fixed a timing belt around the RI axis circle. It is GT2 timing belt. And this is the altitude axis stepper motor, you can see, and on the top of the stepper motor I installed a gear reduction mechanism, and this is 20 teeth timing pulley, and it can moves like this, up and down. And here you can see I added some weight temporarily for balancing the mount. And this is the circuit board. And here you can see the RI axis stepper motor. And here you can see how pulley shaft came off the stepper motor and connected with RI axis to that circle. And this is my heavy 8-inch telescope for which I made this horseshoe mount. And here you can see I fixed a circular disc at the right side of the telescope and fixed a timing belt around the circular disc with glue. And now I am going to test it. And here you can see the OnStep app, and it takes little bit time to connect. And it gets connected. And first I have to set the date and time. And then I have to set the reset home. Now it is daytime, so I have to test with the sun. And here you can see a warning came because you can't see the sun with telescope without using any solar filter. And now I am going to click on return home. Here you can see some problem appears on returning the home. I think the police are slipping off the belt little bit, so I have to do more work on it. And now I solved the problem. Here you can see I attached a spring here. This spring will keep a tension downward and will keep a good contact between the pulley and the wheel. And in the same way I attached another spring to the R axis, you can see. Here you can see the pulley shaft. And now I am going to do final test. Now you can see the smooth movement after attaching the springs. So friends, thanks for stay with me. See you again.